Alright, so today we're going to be doing a TSX upgrade front brakes on the 8th gen Civic. I'm doing it on the SI. I don't know if it's compatible with the rest, but it's pretty straightforward and bolt on. So I'm going to go ahead and do it and show you guys step by step on how I do it. Alright, so this part is pretty straightforward. It's just like any other brake. So we're going to take out the caliper and the rotor. And after that, I'll show you guys what's needed to change the caliper to the TSX one. All right, so we have the old rotor out and the caliper, the old one here. So this is the TSX caliper. So what I'm gonna do is mock it up because we do have to trim a little bit of the dust shield. So I'm just gonna cut this straight down and this straight up to be safe. So now let's see if that clears. So that clears, gives it a lot of extra room. So we'll put the new rotor on. So this is a quick size comparison of the calipers. So it's a little bit bigger. All right, so now we're gonna put the brake caliper on. And I did install the speed bleeder so I can bleed the brakes by myself. So you just want to make sure that the line is higher, so it goes like kind of like in an arc like that. Hopefully that stays there because I don't have a zip tie. And you just want to make sure your reservoir never goes empty. And I'm also doing a brake flush, so I'm gonna wait till that liquid comes out clear from there. Alright, so you can see there, it's basically clear liquid at this point. So I'm gonna go ahead and close that. And this is how they look all finished. So they're a little bit bigger, so to me personally they look a little bit nicer. As you can see,